Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable video GIFs on TikTok. First, let's go into the app. Once on TikTok, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner. And you're going to tap on Creator Tools. And from here you'll see GIFs. You're going to tap on that. As you can see here, video GIFs. Viewers can send GIFs on all your eligible videos when the feature is on. And you'll simply toggle it on once you have met the requirements. And as you can see here, you need to have at least 100,000 followers. Videos must pass safety moderation to be eligible for GIFs. And your account should be active for at least 30 days. And you'll simply tap on turn on video GIFs right there. And that's it. That's how to enable video GIFs on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.